Welcome to OphirPh, Pearl of the Orient City Guide to Events, Food and Drinks, Culture, Movies, Technology Trends, Theatre, TV and Travel. Explore more than 7,000 wonderful Paradise Island, experience and immerse to the maharlikan culture of Yar. Paksiw is a Filipino style of cooking, whose name means to cook and simmer in vinegar. Common dishes bearing the term, however, can vary substantially depending on what is being cooked. A bit of sugar and banana blossoms are also incorporated into the dish. This dish somewhat resembles pork adobo, which is considered as one of the most popular Filipino dishes. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. Visit our site at www.ophirph.com for more food review. There are many ways to cook this dish. This version suggests to pre-boil the pork hock until scums and other impurities surface, and then discard the water. I personally go the extra mile by washing the pork hocks with running water after the initial boiling. I also like to point out that this recipe does not require sauteing onions and garlic. However, you can always do it if preferred. Begin by boiling water, whole peppercorn, and bay leaves. Add soy sauce and fresh garlic. The pre-boiled pork hock goes next. Continue to boil in low heat until the pork tenderizes. It could take up to 2 hours to completely make the pork hock very tender. Using a pressure cooker can cut the time by more than half. Add the vinegar once the pork gets tender, and then put in sugar and banana blossoms. Season with salt. It will be great to use pork broth or add a piece of pork cube to make the dish even tastier. Enjoy this with warm rice. As for the sauce, the amount really depends on your preference. What's important is the texture of the hock. The meat should be tender as possible. Here are the ingredients of Paksiw na pata. 2 pounds pork hock pata, sliced crosswise. 1 teaspoon garlic, crushed. Half cup soy sauce. 2 cups water. 3 tablespoons vinegar. Half cup brown sugar. 100 grams banana blossoms dried, soaked in water. 5 pieces dried bay leaves. 1 tablespoon whole peppercorn. Salt to taste. I enjoy the way the pork fat melts in my mouth in every bite. I think that tenderizing the meat until it almost separates from the bone really does the trick. Here are the instructions on how to cook Paksiw na pata. First step. Boil 6 cups water in a pot. Add the pork hock. Continue to boil for 15 minutes. Discard water and wash the pork with running water until all impurities are cleaned. Second step. Pour the water in a pot and bring to a boil. Add the whole peppercorn and dried bay leaves. Third step. Pour soy sauce into the pot and add the garlic. Fourth step. Put in the sliced pork hock and simmer for 1 to 1.5 hours, or cook in pressure cooker for 30 minutes. Fifth step. Add the vinegar and simmer for 10 minutes. Sixth step. Place the banana blossoms in and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. Seventh step. Add the brown sugar and salt and simmer for 2 minutes. Eighth and last step. Serve hot. Share and enjoy. If you have any comments or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe in our YouTube channel and follow and like us on Facebook #OphirPh. For more food review, visit our site at www.ophirph.com. Don't forget to click the notification bell.